Okay. All right. Now, this second part I want to talk about is market structure break. Now, how do you identify market structure break? Or what does it mean for we to experience a market structure break? Now, a market structure break occurs when price fails to continue its current pattern of movement. What does that mean? Take for example, let's say it does this by either breaking higher lows or lower highs. Now, we've known that when price is in an uptrend, what does it do? What does it do? It creates what higher highs, isn't it? Yes, it keeps creating what higher highs, higher lows. So here is what higher high and then include this zone. So here is creating what a higher high and then a higher low, another higher high, another higher low, another higher high. So once it stops to keep creating this particular movement, on the norm, it's supposed to do what? Come here, create a higher low, and then continue. But did you see it do it here? No, rather, it now went down and broke out, took out this low. So the moment at which this low is being taken out, that is what a market structure break. So it has broken this low. So on the process of breaking this low, the market is no longer what continue to go up. So we can now say that a break of market, we call it what break of market structure or a market structure break. Okay, so this market structure break can occur in different ways. There are some that it will first of all take out a high before breaking out. Like some you can have it like this, and it breaks, which is example of what we have here. It's higher high, another higher high, and then it breaks this low. So this low is the previous what higher low. Why sometimes you can get it like this, let's say like this, and then like this. You see, this low has been taken out. So this is another type of market structure break because this is what this was a higher low, this is another higher low, and then it broke it down, right? So once higher lows have been broken down, so that is a break of market structure break. Now, if we're in a downtrend, remember downtrend does what? It creates this type of pattern. This, 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 and this, right? So here is what these are the lower lows, lower lows, lower lows. And the ones upper here are called the what? Lower highs. Let me just label one for you. Okay. So these are lower lows for a downtrend. Okay, so remember what I said that market structure is being broken. It does this by what? Either breaking previous higher lows. This is previous higher lows. So it breaks it there. So have a market structure break. Or lower lows. Sorry, or lower highs. Now these are lower highs. This is another lower high. So we want to wait to see if price can break this higher here. This is another lower high. So we can say that if it goes up, they will say that what has occurred, a market structure break. This is when we are bearish, and then what do we expect? Price will now turn around and start going up. So this thing usually happens. We usually get market structure break whenever there wants to be a change in direction. Okay, so let us just go straight to the chart. This is a practical aspect now. Let's go and see if we can identify some market structure break. Right. So without wasting much time, let us just get into it. All right, so here now is our chart. Okay, this is our chart we'll be looking at. Let me just go down to the end. Beautiful. This is example. This one right before us here is a perfect example. So you can see that price has been going down, creating this lower low, lower highs, lower lows, lower high, and then what happened? Look at this lower high here. It's being taken out, right? So this is the market structure break. And once market structure break, what happens? Price now changes direction and started going up. I don't know if you're seeing that. So that is it. This is one perfect example of a market structure break. So most times when it occurs, it usually causes a change in direction of the market. Look at this uptrend. Higher high, higher low, higher high. Let me zoom so you see it very well. I told you that there were two types of market structure, remember? And this is the type 2 now. The type 2 market structure. So look at it. We have higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high again here, higher low. Okay, it went up here again, and then what happens? It breaks. So what did it break? It breaks this previous what? Higher low. Can you see that? So what did it do? It will now return, retrace, and then starts going down. So once you get a market structure break, it usually causes the market to change direction. So that is how to spot your market structure. So I hope you understand that one. Let us see if we see another. We'll find another example. This is another example too. So here we have higher high, higher low, higher high. Then you see this one. What did it do? It took out this low. Took out this low here, and then price started to what? Drop down. Can you see that? So that is it. That's it. See that low here, right there. It's been broken out. So it took it out. So had a market structure what? Break here. So price now returns back. So it's not always perfect the way you saw me explain it on the slide. So when you see that, when you come to the chart, you see that there's a little bit of differences in the way they look. They have different shape, different forms, but they all mean the same thing. They all mean the same thing. The main thing is that you understand the concept behind each of them. So here is previous low, okay? And then you see it being taken out. Look at this one again. Look at this one here. This is the previous lower highs. So you see this candle here, it breaks it. So that's the market structure break. Okay. So that's it. Look at this one, the same thing. As it was going down, this is what this one, once it starts changing now. This is lower low, lower high, lower low, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high. And then look at on that one, this is a lower high. So you can draw it a line. So you can see that what happens, this candle breaks it up. So call this here a market structure break. Okay, market structure break. So that is how to identify. That's how to identify your market structure. Market structure. Okay. So that is that for this. This was a very long move. You cannot call it because we are not having lower low, lower. It has not created anyone yet, but you can see that the market is actually going up from here. This one is just an uptrend, just trying to create an uptrend. Okay, so how do we know? You just can see that the movement is going up. You can see that the movement is up. You change the color to black. So you can see it is overall going up. So that is that about how to know how when there is a market structure break. Okay. So there are many examples. There are many examples. If you just go to your chart, you will see a lot of them. You see so many of them. This is an example of a market structure break. Right? Creating higher highs. This is higher low, higher high, higher low, higher low, higher high. Then it comes down, breaks either this one, this is the same market structure break here, or this one, it takes out this low. So once it does this here, it breaks it. So price goes up. It's expected to go down, but like I said, most times it's not always picture perfect, right? So, but this is a market structure break, all right. So that is it. That's that. So there are so many of them. So many. If you just take your time, go back to your chart, you begin to see. You begin to see many of them. You to see many of them. Okay. So this is just in a consolidating. You don't want to look at it. You want to look at it only in a trending market. So this is also an example. Higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high. Break this one now. Breaks these lows. So once it's broken, then we say there's a what market structure break, and then market starts to drop down. So that is that. So there is another one type of market structure that I would like to show you, but that will be in the next video. So we'll stop here and I'll teach you about market structure shift in our next video.